In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send crypto using the Coinbase app. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency transactions or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step, to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your Coinbase app on your mobile device. Once you've got it open, navigate to the advanced trading section. This is where you'll find the tools necessary for handling your cryptocurrency. Coinbase has organized its interface to make these features accessible, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you're not already. Once you're in the advanced trading area, locate and tap on Portfolio. This section displays all your current crypto holdings. It's your digital wallet, so to speak. Here you can view the various currencies you possess and their respective values. This insight is invaluable as it helps you understand how much you want to send and from which currency you wish to draw. Now that you're in your portfolio, look for the transfer button and give it a tap. From the options that appear, select Withdraw Crypto. This function allows you to move crypto from your Coinbase account to another wallet, whether it be yours or someone else's. Next, you'll need to specify who will be receiving the funds. You have two options here. You can either enter the recipient's Bitcoin address manually, or for a more streamlined process, you can scan the recipient's QR code if it's available. Ensuring the correct address is critical, as sending to an incorrect address might mean losing access to your funds. Double checking this step can prevent any potential mishaps. Having entered the correct recipient's information, it's time to specify the amount you'd like to send. Enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you'd like to transfer. If you're new to this, keep in mind the transaction fees that Coinbase may apply depending on the currency and the amount. Once you've ensured everything is accurate, go ahead and confirm the transaction. Finally, the most crucial step, waiting for the transaction confirmation on the blockchain. The time it takes can vary depending on network congestion, so patience is key. Coinbase, like other platforms, will update once the transaction is confirmed, so there's no need to worry about it not going through. Just keep an eye out for those notifications. And there you have it. That's how you send crypto using the Coinbase app. By following these steps, you'll be able to transact with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.